Before using the SmoothSkin Bare, prepare your skin for treatment by shaving to remove any visible hair. To treat your skin using the SmoothSkin Bare, place the handset firmly onto the area to be treated. Make sure the device is firmly pressed against your skin, as it will only activate if it finds a valid skin tone. SmoothSkin Bare has a unique, sophisticated skin tone sensor. During a treatment, the sensor is continuously active, searching for a treatable skin tone. When you're ready, press the activation button. Each flash feels like a warm sensation against your skin. With each flash, intense pulsed light is delivered to the hair root, causing the hair to fall out over time. SmoothSkin Bare has two treatment modes: the stamp mode and the glide mode. For stamp mode, just press and flash, then move the handset to the next area to be treated and repeat. For glide mode, keep the activation button depressed and drag the handset across the area to be treated. For the best results and permanent hair reduction, follow the schedule and repeat weekly for 12 weeks. You can use SmoothSkin Bare on your legs, underarms, arms, bikini line, upper lip, cheek and jawline. SmoothSkin Bare is easy to use and twice as fast as the leading brand. Body or face, with SmoothSkin Bare, it's quick and easy to get silky smooth skin at home. Visit the beauty room at smoothskin.com.